Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. My name is Luke. In this video you will learn how to update your personal information from Spark Driver, such as name, your driver license, your email address, your phone number, your auto insurance, etc. Please make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss any of this tip I'm gonna share with you in a second. You know what? Let's get started. As a Spark driver, if you want to change any of personal information, you have to go to my.ddiwork.com. This is where you're going to able to change any of your personal information. When you log into the website, it's going to ask you for your username and your password. If you forget your username, just go ahead, click forget username. If you forget your password, do the same thing. And after that, you just go ahead and log in and it's going to open a dashboard. So I'm going to do this right now. After you log into your Spark Driver account, this is how the dashboard gonna look like. So you're gonna say welcome looking job, but it's not gonna say looking job, it's gonna say your name. As you can see, my auto insurance is expired. To change it, I can only click unload a new one, but I'm not gonna do this right now. I'm gonna leave this one to do it later to show you exactly or to do it the best way. So right now I'm gonna jump to the first one, earning. If you wanna see what's going on, where to deposit your money, which bank you use, this is where you have to come. When you come here, it's gonna tell you exactly this is where to deposit your money every weekly. So this is my bank that I use to deposit the money in this bank, and after I just transfer it to my own personal bank. If you wanna change this, you can. You just go to manage earning account, another bank they just have called one. If you want, you can wait the term first before you apply, and if you like it, you just apply for one. That's all you're gonna do. You just click it, you apply for it. So I don't need it. I just feel comfortable with Branch Wallet because it offers so many features. I don't see myself like getting another one. So it's up to you, okay, to change where your money go. So we're gonna go to the second one, deposit summary. Deposit summary is telling you exactly this is how much money you get paid at this date. If you want to check for the last 30 days, you can do that. If you want to check for last payment, you can do that, and you just click any of the tab. If you want to check for all time, you just click this one, all time. That's all. It is depending on what you're looking for. You just play with this. It's gonna give you exactly what you want. Now we're gonna talking about tax document. Tax document is where all your tax gonna be, like all your files gonna be. If you have one, for some reason they didn't give me one, but I know I work last year. Maybe I didn't make enough of income to say, hey, you work for this amount. But as you can see, I don't have nothing. If I click 2022, I don't have nothing. Even this one, the NEC documents, you don't have nothing to show. So I guess I didn't work that much. But if you are somebody like driver for like for 2 years, that's mean all your tax document gonna appear here. You're gonna say 2021, 2020, 2022, and next year maybe I will have something to show you. Now I'm gonna jump to onboarding documents. Onboarding documents is all your document you've been signed up for since you are signed up for Spark Driver. Okay, if you remember the tutorial that I make where I say each document that you sign is gonna have a blue check mark to it. This is the documents I was talking about in the video. As you can see here, this is all your document, guys, you've been signed up. So you're not gonna able to update any of the document right here because those document is very sensitive. They don't give you access to update them anytime you want. Before you update any of documents here, you're gonna have contact support. You can call them or you can contact them right here, and they're gonna help you with anything you want. I'm just gonna go to your personal document. In your personal document, this is where you're gonna able to upload a new auto insurance or change your driver license. When you go there, you're gonna see a little pen in the right side. So, and when you go down next to auto insurance, you're gonna see a little pen plus the download button. So that's tell you what it give you access to update your auto insurance, and it give you access to download it if you want. If you wanna update your driver license, you just click in the pen here and you're gonna say update driver license informations. After you finish, you just click save change. Why not? Let me show you exactly how you can upload your auto insurance. To upload, you're just gonna click in the pen right here and you're gonna go to upload insurance image. So after you click on upload insurance image, it's gonna open another window. Click on upload and it's gonna send you straight to your laptop. You're gonna pick up here your image. After you click open, it's gonna tell you why. Now it's gonna open another window where it's gonna insurance expiration date. This one, they want you to do it manually. I don't know, because you already submit. There should be some sort of robot able to read it, but that's not happening. So we're gonna do it manually. So it's gonna expire 2024. That's why I'm gonna go put, it's gonna be March and 04. Right now I'm finished. I'm just gonna go and click submit. So after you click submit, it's gonna say thank you, and they're gonna take 24 hours to review your auto insurance. After your auto insurance review, it get accepted, they're gonna send you a text. Why not, guys? It's time for me to show you how to change your full name, your email address, your home address, your cell phone number. So to do that, you're just gonna go to your Y side where you see the yellow circle. You got your initial inside. So you're just gonna click in it. It's gonna open another window where you say my profile settings or log out. Don't click log out, okay? What I want you to do, I want you to click in setting. I'm gonna come back to my profile real quick. Let me show you something real quick. You click in your setting, and your setting is gonna tell you, how do you want to receive your tax? And you can say electronically or paperless. So to do that, you can change it. Yes, that's me. You're gonna receive it electronically. If you want to receive it by paper, you just switch it to no, and you're gonna receive paper. Okay, but I know some of the time, if you update your home address, it will better for you to go to electronically, because soon as your tax is waiting, they're just gonna email it to your email address. So let's go back again to your profile. So you're gonna click in your profile. This is where you're gonna able to change any of your information. For some reason, I'm black a couple things here because this is my personal information I can share with you. So why here where you say you got the blue pen, like I told you before, this is everything you can change. But if you want to change your full name, you cannot do it. Why not? It's very simple to do. You just call Spark Driver Support. I'm gonna leave the number for you, and I'm gonna leave this link also. You can come here to log into your dashboard so you can do anything you want to do. Okay, I'm just gonna leave the link and the phone number if you want to contact driver support. It's better to call them by phone if you want to do something fast, but if it is not something you want to do quick, you can always email them. What to do, you just contact them, tell them exactly what you want to change, and they're gonna ask you why. You just tell them the reason why you want to change it, and they're gonna send you a link. Can be to your cell phone, or they can send it to your email. So this link, they're gonna tell you, is gonna be available for a couple hours. In the meantime, make sure you do it so before the link expires, and this is you can update your personal information. Okay, this is all I have for you in this video. Make sure you like this video and you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.